special ways of getting food. That means we will be looking into the category of non-green plants which does not have chlorophyll. Yes, we will be talking about non-green plants which does not have any kind of chlorophyll in it. For example, molds and mushrooms. These are basically a type of fungus. So, what exactly are these things going to do? They are going to obtain their food from the dead and decaying plants and animals. Means they are going to you can say they are going to feed on the organisms which are dying or which are completely dead. So what they are going to do is they are going to obtain their nutrition from there, or else what they are going to do is they are going to simply consume the other organism or other animal. Now what these categories are, that we will be looking into in detail. But before that, we have certain examples over here like Indian pipe, coral root, mushroom, picture plant, Venus flytrap. So all these things are basically the categories of the plants which are non-green in color, which lack chlorophyll. So they are going to obtain their food in different ways. Now, what is the first category that we are looking into? It is Indian pipe and coral root. So let me first of all show you the picture of these particular plants. This white plant over here is basically Indian pipe plant. This is the Indian pipe plant. Now here you can see clearly that it is white in color and not green in color. On the other hand, this next plant over here is the coral root plant. So this is basically the plant which is, you can say it is brownish in color, but it is a combination of red and brown color. So whatever color it is not green in color. That means it does not have chlorophyll. So how it will going to obtain the food? It will going to obtain the food by feeding on the dead and decaying plants and animals. How they are going to do it? When the dead and decaying bodies are being decomposed, they are being converted into simpler substances or the substances which are non-toxic in nature, which are non-poisonous in nature. So what will happen after that? The soil will going to absorb all the nutrients from these non-toxic bodies. Once it is absorbed by the soil, these two categories of plants are going to obtain their nutrition from there. Now, what is the next category? Next category we have is insectivorous plants. So what these insectivorous plants are? Why are we calling them insectivorous? Because these are insect eating plants. Yes, these are insect eating plants. These plants are going to have insect as their food. For example, picture plant and Venus